Hi friends, and welcome to Decorate Your Life, Scrapbooking and Card Making. This is Sandy for Graphic 45, and today I'm sharing a pillow box process using the Graphic 45 Garden Goddess Pillow Box Treat Holder project sheet by designer and educator Annette Green. I'm also sharing some fussy cutting techniques that may be of help to you. Graphic 45 carries a wide variety of paper crafting project ideas and tutorials on their website. To get to their project sheets, all you have to do is go to g45papers.com, hover over the Inspiration tab, then click on Project Sheets. There you'll find a plethora of free step-by-step paper crafting tutorials designed by some of the best educators and designers in the industry today. You'll find my Graphic 45 supplies list in the area underneath this video and also a full supply list in my blog. The instructions call for the 8x8 Garden Goddess paper pad. This is where you'll find the template for the pillow box. Since I've already gone through the entire contents of this paper pad, I decided to work with my 12x12 sheet and my Sizzix pillow box die. My pillow box measures approximately 2 3/4 by 4 1/2. Once I have my die cut pieces, I like to shape the ends to my pillow box before I glue it together. I find that by doing this first step helps a lot at the end when you are ready to close your pillow box. Now I'm ready to glue my pillow box pieces. If you're using the template from the 8x8 paper pad, all you have to do is score along the guidelines, fold, and then apply wet glue on one end. And now, as per Annette's instructions, I trim a piece from the thoughtfully planted sheet to 7/8 by 8 inches. Then I ink around the edges with my Color Box Graphic 45 ink in Precious Pink. And as per the project sheet, I use the buckle from the Garden Goddess tags and pockets, and I also ink around the edges with my Color Box Graphic 45 Velvet Teal ink. I then thread the pink strip through the buckle. And we come to my fussy cutting tip. Up until recently, fussy cutting was a challenge for me. I tried imitating fussy cutting from other paper crafting tutorials. However, the results were less than stellar. I don't know if it's because of the size or the shape of my hands or what, but my fussy cutting didn't look the same as in the other videos. So I decided to cut around the image first, and then with my skinny, pointy scissors, I was able to move and cut my image a lot easier than what I was doing in the past. So if somehow fussy cutting is just not working for you, you may want to try this method. Also notice how I move the paper around, not so much the scissors. Now here's something that I want to point out. Since I'm using the 12x12 paper instead of the 8x8, this image is going to be larger than what's intended in the project sheet. But I found a quick fix that you'll see later in this tutorial. Once I'm done with the fussy cutting, I ink around the edges with my Color Box Graphic 45 ink in dark cashmere. And using the same technique, I fussy cut the smaller flowers. Then I also ink around the edges with dark cashmere. Now that fussy cutting is fun and easy for me, I couldn't help but cut several flowers. I just love how cute they all look. I then decided to level up my project by adding leaves using my leaves dies from Graphic 45. As you can see here, the sunflower is too large to be on top of the buckle. It totally hides it, so I decided to put the large flower behind the belt buckle. I really like how it frames around it. I then add the smaller flowers. Some are glued and some I add dimension with foam dots. I glue the leaves, and I'm really enjoying how dimensional the belly band looks. Once I glued the belly band to the center of my pillow box, I then decided to add some flourishes for my stash. And for the finishing touch, I apply some Graphic 45 matte pearl gems. I shape my pillow box, then use double-sided tape to wrap the band around, and I am done. I hope that you've enjoyed this pillow box tutorial and that I've inspired you to check out the Graphic 45 project ideas at g45papers.com. Thank you so much for watching my video. Until next time, happy paper crafting. Bye!